Good news! Trust me when I say good news, it is indeed a good news. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Grok 4.5, the latest Grok model, for free. I'm going to also show you how you can still use Sedance AI and Veo 3 to create your videos for free, as well as Grok AI. This is actually Grok AI. You using Grok AI to create your videos for free, 100% free. And you can create as many videos as possible and images. The only advice I'm going to give you right now is for you to go and start using this platform to create your videos with Grok AI, Seedance, and also Veo 3. I'm going to take you through the entire process step by step. So I will advise you stay put, watch this video till the very end. Please like my video, always like my video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also drop your comments below. Without much ado, let's get into the practical section of this video. Let's get right in there.
You're probably clicking on this video because you want to know how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos, and Veo 3, also how to also access Sedance AI, all these three models for free. Trust me, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step flow on how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos for free, and also Sedance and Veo 3. Not only would I show you how to use Grok AI to create your videos, I'm going to show you how you can access the latest Grok model to create your video, which is Grok 4.5. If you check this platform here, you can see all AI tools, then Veo 3.1, photo to video, text to speech, all video generators, all image generators. Then you come down here. What you need to do is for you to come over here. Make sure you select video generator. Okay. Once you select that, let's just come over here. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. Once you paste your prompt, you have to come over here to select the model that you want to use. We have Grok 4, we have Grok 4.5 here. So I'm going to be selecting Grok 4.5. Trust me, we are going to be using all this for free. I'm going to show you how you can access this Grok 4.5 for free to create your video. Trust me. So if you come over here, you'll see a number of video variations. So it is in your place for you to choose. I'm going to be selecting one. So come over to select your aspect ratio. Aspect ratio, I'm going to be using 16.9 for your table long form video. So once you are satisfied with your inputs, I'm going to come over here to click on generate. So once you click on generate, immediately it will start generating. One amazing thing about this platform is that they don't even require you to sign up. Okay, they don't require you to sign up with your email address or your Google account. You are just doing it direct. That is one of the amazing thing about this platform. So let's just wait to see the result of this. Trust me, I haven't signed in and I haven't paid for anything. This is for free. So let's wait to see the result. If it makes sense, you have to rush to create your video immediately, because this is you using Grok 4.5 to create your video right now. Okay, so let's just wait to see the result. Oh, beautiful. I love this already, and it is exactly what the prompt entails. A cute golden puppy running excitedly along a beach while chasing bubbles. You can see it is exactly what the prompt entails. So for you to be able to download your video, come over here, then click on download. Voila, the video will be downloaded. Now you can go further to create another video, so that you will not say, it is only one video that you can create now. Let me go copy another prompt to create a video for you to see. So I'm going to create another video. I've copied the prompt. I'm going to come over again. Then I'm going to paste this particular prompt. Then I'm going to click on generate. Immediately you click on generate, it will start generating. I said, believe me, I have not signed up, neither have I signed in to this platform. You just click on the link and then you go ahead to create your video. Do you understand? And you can create as many videos as possible you want to create. Okay, you can see I'm creating another video right now. Remember, I'm going to also show you how you can access Veo 3 for free, to the latest Veo 3 for free to create your videos, and also Sedance AI. Trust me, this is a video that you don't have to skip any part, because all the parts are really worth it. Okay, the video is almost ready. All right, the video is ready. I'm going to go ahead to play. So I'm going to download. The next AI model I want to review to you on how you can still access for free to create your videos and images is called Veo 3. So this is you using Veo 3 to create your video all for free. Yes, using this platform. So come over here, just like the same process we followed in the first video. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. Paste my prompt, then I'm going to come over here. You can see the same thing: view, video generator, image generator, prompt generator. Then if you come over here, it is in your place to select the model you want to use under Veo 3. So you can select Google Veo 3.1, Google Veo 3.2. So I'm going to be using 3.1 model. Then for the variations, I'm going to select one. And then for the aspect ratio, I'm going to be using landscape. Then once you are done and you are satisfied with the setup, just come over and click on generate. Trust me, this is you using Veo 3 to create your video without you paying a dime, without you getting to sign in to this website, without you getting to sign in or sign up anything. You are not signing up. You can see the video is actually generating. This is for free. You are doing it for free, and you can see I haven't paid anything here. Okay, it is for free. So let's just wait to see the final result. We are going to compare the three model: Grok AI, Veo 3, and Sedance. So let's just wait to see the result here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is crazy. I love it. Get as many videos as possible. The only problem you are going to be facing in this platform is that once in a while you are going to see ads, but it's not going to be quite uncomfortable. Okay, you can skip it. It's not necessary that you must watch the ads before you create the video. You can skip it, but you will definitely see ads. Okay, but this is you using Veo 3 and Grok AI to create your video for free. Go and try out. Make sure you go and try this out. I don't know if I'm shouting. Currently, it is actually raining here.
Always like my video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also drop your comments below. Please, liking my video and commenting is a way of triggering algorithm to push my video to wider audience. Please help me push this particular video to wider audience, because it is actually worth it. It is worth it. I will not bring something that is not working to my channel. I won't. It is something that is working. That's why I am bringing on here. So go try out and give me feedback in the comments below.
With this platform, you can still access Sedance AI for completely free. Yes, completely free. You can use Sedance AI to create your videos and images. So what you have to do is come over here, just follow the same process. As I said, the link will be made available on this video description. So you come over here where you see enter prompt, just the same process as we've been doing. Just paste your prompt and then go ahead to select the model. You can select the model here, and then for the variations you can choose one. And for aspect ratio, I'm gonna be using landscape. And then you can enhance your prompt. Yeah, you can click on enhance, and then once you are done, just click on generate, and here you have it. The video will start generating, and then at this point we are going to wait to see the final result. As I said, you can use this to create as many videos as possible. So just go try out without wasting time. Do not keep it till maybe the next day before. You may just come back, and then at the end of the day you notice that you can't still use it for free. So immediately you see this video, just go try out and start using it to create your video. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish generating. All right, at this point the video is almost ready, so let's just wait for it to finish analyzing. Okay, here you have it. The video is ready. I'm gonna come over here to play the video. So you can see that for you to be able to download, come over here to this three dotted line and then click on download, and here you have it. You can continue to create as many as possible you want to create. It's actually downloading. So for you to be able to generate another one, you have to wait for the first one to finish downloading, then before you can be able to generate another video. And here you have it, a full step-by-step guide on how you can still access Grok, the latest Grok model, and also Sedance AI, and as well as Veo 3 to create your video for free. Trust me, this is 100% free and you can create as many videos as you want to create and images. Just go try out and give me feedback in the comments section. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you found it valuable, and try as much as possible to always come back and watch my video and share the video as well. Thank you and see you in my next one. Goodbye.